First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl with bag image, click open. Take the quick selection tool and select the bag like this. Now press Ctrl Z twice to create two duplicate layers of the selected bag. Hide the top layer, select the second layer, take the rectangle tool and draw the shape like this. Change any color here. Now right click on the shape layer and choose create clipping mask. Right click on this layer and choose convert to smart object. Go to blend modes and choose linear burn. Double click on this layer. Go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this texture 1 image. Click place. Hold Alt button and increase the image size like this. Press enter. Go to the file and choose save. Open the main window. Right click on this layer and choose blending options. Here adjust the underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Expose the top layer. Go to blend modes and choose multiply. Let's see the final result. Now we can replace any texture or design here.